Hey, what is up, guys? I post daily now, by the way. We are playing Airplane 2 story since now I can post up to 20 minutes and 15 minutes videos, which is very incredible, guys. I can't believe it. I think it's because I hit 20 thingies, I think. Oh yeah, we got it. Just I'm excited. Hi. Hey, Nana said, hey, what's hey, Poncho? I got H9. Where's H9? I need to find a 9. Hey, I found it. Here. Oh, man, I thought I was going to get in the window. Well, we have nothing to do. Hey, what's up? Oh, alright, we're beside. Hey, at least we're not holding hands. Bro, at least have some 6 feet. Okay.
Hello everyone, this is your captain speaking. Welcome aboard flight 4114.
I want to be a pilot, but my mom won't let me.
We are currently flying at an altitude
of 32,000 feet above sea level. The weather looks good. Free to explore the airplane. Okay, I'm gonna explore. Hey, can I go to the restroom, please? I need to poop. Oh, okay, well, the bathroom door is closed. Hey, Captain, open up. I need to poop. I'm gonna poop in there. Hello? Oh, well, I guess he doesn't want to smell my smelly booty. Okay, well, I think it's time to be a suitcase, guys. Oh, H9. Ooh, get in my seat. Come on, what? Phew. Dude, I thought I was gonna die there. Now, please find your seats. What was that? Was that like full energy? Like, you know, when like you pull the gear to like max. Thank you for cooperation. Get ready as our crew prepares a snack for everybody. As we know, guys, every story the food is a poison, so I'm not eating it. Let's let everybody eat it first before I eat it. Crew, hello everyone. We are the crew members. We will be delivering delicious sandwiches. More like you're delivering poison sandwiches. I ain't eating that, bro. No way. Yeah. Hey, he's getting pushed. I wanna get pushed. Push me. ... What does he mean? He said AFK hashtags. What? Wait, this sandwich has mayo? I'm allergic to mayo. Oh no. We need to find his backpack. Oh no, quickly. We need to find AC Tiber's baggage for medicine. Look in the baggage storages. Okay, let's just open that. No. I found it. Brian, find your own suitcase. Why not you find it yourself? Phew, that was a close one. Yep, a very close one. Can I look at the window at least?
Good afternoon to all passengers.
Good afternoon, Captain.
I inform you we've reached unstable altitude.
Take a nap and enjoy the ride. Alright, let's take a nap. Is my sound on? Let's on like a little. Yeah. I don't know if you guys can hear it, but, well.
Good night, passengers. Remember to stretch your legs.
Stretching legs. Sorry guys if you can't really hear me because of the background sound. So I know next time that, hours to go. Oh, why a few hours? I wanna. It appears that we've lost energy. Hang on as we try to fix it. It's just off the sounds. Guys, look! What is that on the right window? Left and right. I still don't know my left and right, guys. It's a mysterious! Is that my brother? Because he doesn't have a face like me. Because I have my shadow head. You will not survive. Shut up. Are those snakes? They're snakes! They're terrifying! I'm freaking out, bro! Oh, I'm not scared of nothing, bro. I ain't scared of nothing. Guys, I'm the first person in the bathroom. Whoa! I need to poop. Phew. Am I gonna eat this sandwich, guys? Should I? Guys, don't look. This is called a private bathroom, and I can only poop. What? I'm actually pooping, bro. Let's check the leaderboard. Super Mario. Oh, Super Mario doesn't look like that. Adly wish. What's Adly wish? That was scary. We should discuss what the heck is happening. Why am I the one that's scared? I ain't scared of nothing. Alright. Now we're back. Okay, let's go to my seat. Okay. Power is back up. Cool. Hey, let me seat. It won't let me seat. And the snakes are gone. Bed wars. Alright, I don't care about the bed wars. The creature on the wing is also gone. What creature? My brother? My brother ain't no creature. He's just crazy sometimes. Your attention, passengers. I have good news and bad news. Put the good news first, of course. The good news is the power is back up. That's not really good news because we already know the power is back up. What's the bad news? The bad news is that we are losing a significant amount of oxygen. What? Mask will drop over your seats. Give me that mask. Give me that. Hey, this is my mask. I need to seat. I'm gonna seat. Oh, she died. Ooh, rip. This mask will keep you safe until we stabilize the oxygen levels. Okay, cool. I have a sandwich, but I still don't want to eat it. Okay. Oh, what are those red things? Oh my gosh! What is this? Oh, come on. Why is the bomb on me? It looks like a bomb. No, why on me? I don't have any more Robux. Come on. I found a pair of scissors. Adley, I'm telling you, if you pick the right one, I'm gonna give you all my balance. I'm gonna give you this account. Okay, please just go. Okay, I'm doing too much. Just because I will cut the blue cable, Super Mario. I hope you're right. Uh-oh. I think. Phew, Super Mario, you're my savior. I'm adding you. I'm adding Super Mario. Thanks, bro. You're a hero. We did it. Yeah. Oh, come on. Yeah, this Super Mario guy is a hero. I love those bacons, like they save you. You know what I mean. Okay, let's go on my seat. We haven't heard of the crew in a while. We should look for them and check if everything is okay. Alright, let me find them. Oh my god, I fucking got this! They're unconscious. We need to alert the captain. Alright, let's alert the captain. Come on. To the captain room, to the captain room, to the captain room, to the captain room. We're going to the captain room. It's locked. Something is happening inside. The captain must be in trouble. This door needs a code. If we find it, we might be able to open it. Well, I ain't finding nothing. Yeah, me and Super Mario are gonna stay here. I don't know what I'm saying. Open up! I found the code. Cool. Okay, now let's get in. Let's go in. We can't even get in. You know that's on TikTok? No, I want to be captain. It's the creature. Oh no. You foolish. You'll pay for what you've done. You think you are here on accident, but you're not. What? I brought you here. All of you. What about our captain? Get out of here, brother. What happened to you, man? That is not possible. Let me just take a picture of him. Yo, how you get in? Is he a hacker or something? Hey, let me just get a good screenshot. Let me just take a good screenshot. That's not really a good screenshot. Wait, no, brother, I want to take a screenshot of you. I think he's gone. Hey, help me. See you in the afterlife. Shut up, bro. The captain is unconscious. Even you, my goodness. The plane is falling. Then we should be like going down, you know, like. But we're not. We're still flying in the air. What are we gonna do? We need to find the autopilot button. Alright. Alrighty. Let's just find it. Click everything and find that button before we die. Okay. This is mine. This is my buttons. I found the button. I found the button so quick, you cheater. We did it! We saved the plane! Yeah, we did. Congrats. It has been a very crazy flight. I just want to be home already. Yeah, me too. It's been tiring, man. Yeah, I'm pretty tired. This is gonna be our new home, guys. Now all we need to do is find the emergency phone. So we can call for help. Okay, let's find the emergency phone. The emergency phone. Found the emergency phone. Hello? We need help. Our captain is unconscious. Don't worry, we will find you. We will get you home in no time. Is everyone okay? Yes, we are okay. Autopilot mode is on. Okay, we traced your location and we are taking control. There's a stupid alarm. I have one task for you. Someone needs to keep the plane on track. I'll do it! I always wanted to be a pilot! Let me do it, please! I'm begging you. Find someone to sit on the co-pilot seat, aside the captain. Come on! Oh, come on! Come on! Let me! Please pick me. Please pick me. Please pick me. Lord, I'm begging you. Oh. She's not even driving it! Okay, everyone. I got this. Shut up, Keely. You don't even know how to drive a plane. You're just sitting over there like levitating. You don't even know how to drive a plane. Hey, my brother is there. What's up, brother? Is he good now? Oh, no. It's back. It's not any it's my brother. Kind of. You got an evil laugh, bro. You humans are funny. Even me, I'm funny? Oh, your destiny has already been written. Last chance kills the cupcake. Crash this plane and we will rule the underworld for eternity. I'm not doing it. I'm saving this plane. You humans are so weak. I ain't weak. You just called us funny a while ago. This is not the last time you see me. OMG, I'm so scared. What kind of laugh is that? And that is the ending of our story. It's the ending. Hello. Guys, stop hopping! You guys just copy me! Hey, I can't see anything now. Only I can do that. Yeah. Who cares? Let's go back home. Now I'm about to throw up. Bro, come on! You're weird. You survived the airplane. Cool, guys. We survived. And thank you guys for being with me in this crazy flight. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to smash those buttons. First, you're gonna smash the like button, and then after you smash the like button, make sure to smash that subscribe button too. If you guys enjoyed this video, make sure to watch my daily videos because I'm gonna be posting daily now. I'm actually gonna do another story while I'm posting this vid. So all I have to say, guys, is bye bye guys. See you in this. Oh, bye bye.